Bengal gourd means tinda. Beetroot means chukandar. Carrot means gajar. Drumstick means sahjan. Fennel seeds means soft. Ginger means adrak. Haricot beans means safed fali. Indian gooseberry means avla. Jackfruit means kathal. Kidney beans means rajma. Ladyfinger means bhindi. Maize means makka. Or nettle plum means karanda. Onion means pyaz. Pumpkin means kaddu. Radish means mooli. Sweet potato means sakarkand. Turmeric means haldi. Water chestnut means singhara. Yam means suran.